you're wondering about the difference between the Mix Fold 4 and the Galaxy Fold 6, here you go. So this is the back camera. So which one do you like most? Both have the protruding camera module, as you can see. I think the biggest difference lies in the thickness. As you can see, whoa, holy smoke. It's like they're not belong to the same generation. You can see how crazy that Galaxy Z Fold 6 thicker than the Mix Fold 4. The bottom and the hinge is like so much thicker, right? And this, okay, let's unfold it. Okay, I don't even need to say anything. Something's like much thicker. All right, this way and this way. Okay, bottom. But if we compare the thickest part, because for Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 it has like this more protruding camera. If we count that part, camera module part is thicker than Z Fold 6. Ooh. Wow, for the Z Fold 6, I think one thing I really like is like it can stay like in any angle, not like any angle, but you can see. Okay. Okay, but like in this angle. Okay, because that's cable. Okay, I think. Wow, basically zero angle. Wow, so stable. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. But for Xiaomi, it's like, okay, Xiaomi like cannot stay like in this angle. Okay, but Z Fold 6 can. One thing you might care about is the crease. So which one is more obvious, guys? It's like unavoidable, right? Like for all the foldables nowadays. All right, that's it. I think both are very, very obvious. No. So now let's compare the camera. For Xiaomi, it supports up to 8K 24. For Samsung, it supports also 8K 30. Let's just compare 4K 60. I don't shoot like 4K. I don't shoot like 8K 30 because, you know, who would use 8K, right? My computer cannot even handle it. So that's the 4K 60. Okay. Alright, so this is the 4K 30, and let's just do the zoom. Okay. Ultra wide. To Xiaomi Shop. Okay, go to 1. Also go to 1. This is 1, 2. So this is 2 times. I can see the flickering on the Z Fold 6. And go to 3. Okay, 3.3. And let's go to 4. Okay, 4. So who's clearer? Wow, you can see the 4 now, 5 times zoom. So 5 times zoom. That's all the way up to 12. Only 12 on the Z Fold 6. So let's compare 12 first. Okay, 12. If you just view from the screen, I think for text, I think Galaxy looks clearer, more noise on Xiaomi. So 15 times. So 15 times here. So photo, this ultra wide. 1, 2. I don't even need to see on computer. Xiaomi seems a little bit more darker. Okay, 3 times. To be honest, I really don't like this this interface, this zoom. I like this on the Xiaomi. It seems has a better control. 5 times, 10 times. 10 times and 30 times. That's the max zoom for the Galaxy. What? Galaxy looks, oh no way, it looks so shaky, you see. So now this is the portrait. Z Fold 6 supports 1, 2, 3. For Xiaomi it supports 23, 35, 50, 75. For the front camera, I noticed that Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports like 4K 60, but on the Xiaomi it only supports up to 1080 60 FPS. So let's just compare it at 1080 60 on the camera. The front camera, let's check. Alright, So, okay. I don't wanna leave you. I don't wanna lose you. Okay. Backlights. Alright, this is unfolded and the camera interface. I find for the inner camera, it doesn't have that portrait mode. Okay, that's it. Galaxy definitely feels like more rugged, more premium with this finish. Xiaomi feels a little bit cheaper, but of course the price. But definitely Galaxy feels more premium and high-end. The Z Fold 6 is definitely like made more for, you know, business people with all this rugged design, you know. But for Xiaomi, it's like more for casual users with all this rounded design. I'm not sure if that makes sense anyway. The big difference including the price, right? Galaxy is always more expensive, and yeah, that is the simple comparison.